Hello students, today we are going to write the worksheet answers of lesson 10 Air, Water and Weather subject Science. Question 1 objective type questions. A. Fill in the blanks with correct words. Number 1. Animals breathe in dash present in the air, carbon dioxide or oxygen. Answer is oxygen. Number 2. The change of water vapor to water is called dash. Evaporation, condensation. Answer is condensation. Number 3. In dash places, water drops in the clouds come down as snow. Cold or hot? Answer is cold. Number 4. The condition of air around us is known as dash, weather or season. Answer is weather. Number 5. Many trees shed their leaves in the dash season, autumn or spring. Answer is autumn. Question B. Write T for true and F for false statement. Number 1. Air contains dust and germs. Answer is true. Number 2. Human beings need to breathe in carbon dioxide. Answer is false. Number 3. Not all living things need water. False. The water cycle brings about rain. True. And number 5. The change of water vapor to water droplets is called evaporation. False. Question C. Choose the correct option. Number 1. Air does not contain A. Water vapor, B. Oxygen, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Silver. Answer is D. Silver. Number 2. Weather changes due to A. Sun, B. Clothes, C. Food, D. Dust. Answer is A. Sun. Number 3. Water vapor present in the air results in A. Change in water, B. Trees shedding leaves, C. No change, D. A sunny day. Answer is A. Change in weather. Number 4. Which of these is not true about water? A. We need it for washing and cleaning, B. All living things need it, C. It changes its form, D. None of these. Answer is D. None of these. Number 5. Which of the following changes water into water vapor due to the heat of the sun? A. Condensation, B. Evaporation, C. Water cycle, D. None of these. Answer is B. Evaporation. Number 6. Changes in season affects the A. Kind of clothes we wear, B. Kind of food we eat, C. Activities we do, D. All of these. Answer is D. All of these. Number 7. Which of the following shows spring season? A. New leaves and flowers, B. Snowfall, C. Heavy rainfall, D. Hot weather. Answer is A. New leaves and flowers. Number 8. Leaves of many trees are shed during A. Spring, B. Monsoon, C. Autumn, D. Summer. Answer is C. Autumn. Question D. Match the following. Here column A is given and we will write the answer or directly for column B. Hot season, answer is summer. Cold season, answer is winter. Slow wind, answer is breeze. Rainy season, answer is monsoon. Fast blowing wind, answer is storm. Question 2, very short answer type questions. A. Give 2 examples of the following. Number 1, uses of water. Answer, drinking, cooking. Number 2, things present in air. Answer is water vapor, dust particles. Weather conditions. Answer is sunny days, windy days. Number 4, seasons. Answer is summer, winter. Number 5, things that help us stay dry on a rainy day. Answer is umbrella, raincoat. Question B, give one word for the following. Number 1, this takes place due to the sun's heat on water. Answer is evaporation. Number 2, these are formed when water droplets join together. Answer is big drops. Number 3, water droplets in the air cool down and come down as this. Answer is rain. Number 4, raindrop come down as this in very cold places. Answer is snow. And number 5, the general condition of air around us. Answer is weather. So our worksheet ends here.